What is the difference between sanding sealer and wood conditioner? Both sanding sealer and wood conditioner are products used when finishing wood. However, they actually have very different roles to play. Wood conditioners are used before a wooden surface is stained to prevent the emergence of unsightly patches later on. While sanding sealers are applied after staining to keep the finish coat from bleeding through and affecting the stain layers. In order to better understand the difference between sanding sealers and wood conditioners, it helps to explore their intended functions. Let's start with wood conditioners. Wood conditioners prepare the wooden surface for the application of stains. Sometimes also referred to as pre-stain conditioners, wood conditioners are somewhat similar in composition to sealants and varnish. Once applied, the pre-stain conditioner works its way into the wood and starts to form a barrier. That barrier is crucial to protecting the wood. Without it, the staining process could produce marks that penetrate the wood deeper than intended. Wood conditioners help avoid the blotches that tend to appear on wooden surfaces after staining. These blotches don't affect the structure of the wood in any way, but they do impact its appearance. If you want the appearance of the wood to be consistent and even throughout, using pre-stain conditioner is recommended. Now, let's look at sanding sealers. Sanding sealers are a type of wood primer that's clear in appearance. Sanding sealers have a few important responsibilities. First off, they are tasked with preventing the mixing of the staining chemicals and the finish applied. The sanding sealer is sandwiched between the staining chemicals and the finish coat. It works as a barrier to prevent them from interacting with one another. If not for the sanding sealer, there's a good chance that the final product will be discoloured. The sanding sealer also prevents interactions between the finish applied and any polish that may be used. Sanding sealers also help to complete the wood's appearance while still giving you a chance to make minor alterations. You can still sand down a little if you would like to even out the surface of the material further. Remember to use pre-stain conditioners and sanding sealers in the right order. Start with the wood conditioner and follow that with whatever you would like to use for staining. The sanding sealer is applied after the stain and then comes the finish coat. You can then complete the job with an application of polish or wax.